Welcome to qnawire.
If we're going to use row reduction, then I'm going to augment the matrix with the 4x4 identity. And then reduce until we have the 4x4 identity on the left-hand side. So we already have a 1 in row 1. Let's get a 0 in row 2 by taking row 2 plus row 1 and putting that in row 2. So our new row 2, negative 1 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0. The other rows would stay the same. All right, now we need a 0 in row 3, and we can take row 3 and add it to row 1 and put that in row 3. Our new row 3, adding it to row 1 would be negative 1 plus 1, which is 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 0 plus 0. All the other rows stay the same. Okay, now we need a 0 in row 4. Let's add row 4 to row 2 and put that into row 4. So we're adding row 4 and 2 together. We've got 0 plus 0, negative 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0. Now let's get a 0 in let's get a 0 in row 4. We could, for instance, take row 4 and just subtract row 3 from it. So we get 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 1 minus 0. Okay. Now we've got our triangle of 1s, our diagonal of 1s. Now we need to get zeros here. Let's start with row 1. So let's say we'll take row 1 and subtract row 3 from it. Well, it doesn't matter. Let's just go row 2 since they're right next to each other. So you're taking the elements in row 1 and just subtracting row 2 from it. So we get, actually no, let's do 3 because then it'll be less work. Because 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 0. Getting there. Let's get a 0 in row 2 by taking row 2 and subtracting row 3. So 0 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 0. Two more. Let's get a 0 in row 1 by adding rows 1 and 4 together. So 1 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, negative 1 plus 1, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, negative 1 plus negative 1, 0 plus 1. And last one, we'll get we need to get a 0 in row 3, so we'll take row 3 and subtract row 4. 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 1 minus negative 1, 0 minus 1. And now we have the 4x4 identity on the left, which means the 4x4 matrix on the right would be the inverse, 0, 1, negative 2, 1. 0, 1, negative 1, 0. 1, negative 1, 2, negative 1. And 0, 1, negative 1, 1. I would always recommend a quick check. I'm going to use the Desmos matrix calculator, our new matrix, the 4x4 matrix with the elements 1, 0, 1, 0, negative 1, 1, 0, 1, negative 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, negative 1, 0, 1, and we can find the inverse, and we see the 0, 1, negative 2, 1, 0, 1, negative 1, 0, 1, negative 1, 2, negative 1, and 0, 1, negative 1, 1.